Prioritizing tasks isn't about doing more. It's about doing what truly matters first. If you feel na lahat ng iyong gagawin ay urgent, having a simple system helps you stay focused at hindi ka masyadong ma-overwhelm. Start by identifying kung ano ang important at ano ang urgent. Isang helpful method ay ang Eisenhower Matrix, kung saan nahahati ang task sa 4 na categories. Urgent and important, or dapat ay gawin agad. Important but not urgent, or pwedeng by schedule. Urgent but not important, at neither, or pwedeng tanggalin. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi masasayang ang energy mo sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga nakakatulong sa progress mo. Here are some tips on how to prioritize your task. Start with your top 3. Huwag mong punuin ang to-do list mo. Pumili lang ng 3 pinaka-importanting tasks for the day. Do the hardest task first. Unahin agad yung pinakamahirap na task habang fresh pa ang energy mo. Avoid multitasking. One task at a time lang. Mas mabilis at mas maayos ang output kapag hindi sabay-sabay ang mga ginagawa. Break big tasks into small steps. Kapag overwhelming ang isang task, hatiin mo into smaller doable steps para mas madaling simulan. Check your progress daily. At the end of the day, tingnan mo kung ano ang natapos mo. This helps you to improve your priorities for tomorrow. Remember, don't forget to rest. Hindi ka robot. Taking breaks actually helps you stay productive and focused. You can do it.